Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture adding an UI to our web app. So we will jump into PyCharm. Okay, so these were the input images that we have taken. Now in this Flask application, this route slash predict is responsible to do the prediction. Okay, but actually if you need a web page, so here in this actually route I have written which is the slash route, or I will say the landing page route, which is mentioned as the root slash. And here def home, so I am just created a function. Okay, and then render template. So this particular, I will say this function render template is responsible to show your HTML page. If I show you the HTML page, it is available inside the templates folder. Okay, and this is the HTML page that we have. Okay, so here actually what are the things that we need, we can do the changes here based on it. And if you don't know HTML or CSS or anything like that, okay, you can simply ask your web developer to build such an UI for you if he or she is available in your team. Or sometimes we don't have at that point of time. As backend developers, we try to do the testing in our Postman, as I have shown in the last video. So simply here 1.x I will mention. Okay, and I will just restart my application. So I have done a very small change. And in client app.py, so right now this is a slash route. So it's something like without calling, basically I just need to give the host and the port. So I will just give that. Okay, so this is my host and port. So I have done some changes in the HTML. So I will just try to reload this one. And you can see the change is reflected here. So I did the change in the HTML file. And the same file I am rendering here. So index.html is inside the templates folder. Okay, and this is the same file that I am rendered here. Okay, and I have created specific route where the app will be called. Okay, and this is the web page. So from here you can simply upload an image and you can simply click on predict. So internally what is happening? So internally when you are uploading this image, okay, so you are getting the results, that's fine. But what is the workflow? Let's discuss that. So when you are uploading this image, okay, like this, right now this image has been converted into base 64. Okay, so this is going in the client side. Basically JavaScript is doing the conversion of this particular image into base 64. As I click on predict, okay, so as I click on predict, what happens, that base 64 is being received by me. And in which format? So it is being received like the format we told in Postman. So if I show you the Postman version, okay, so in this format actually I get it from the client side. So where the key will be an image and the value will be the base 64 value. Now this particular value is being decoded here. So decode image, and then finally we call our get prediction function, which is responsible to do the prediction. So it depends upon you actually. If you want to get a UI, then it's something like you need to work with your JavaScript, HTML, CSS. But if you don't want, you can simply use Postman. So guys, see you in the next lecture.